Okay, so for the nail DIY, basically everything I got is from Amazon. So the things that we are gonna need are nail tips, gel nail varnish, some little butterflies, nail glue, and a UV lamp. So that's basically everything I'm going to need for this. Obviously you'll need like a nail file and some nail clippers just to like shape the nails. But that is basically everything that you need. So like for the nail inspiration, the stuff that I found, like pictures like these, so things like that. So I quite liked the blue and like the butterflies. So I ordered a blue gel polish off Amazon, and then I ordered like this thing of butterflies, like all of these are different colour butterflies. So I mean, you can literally do this with any colour, like pinks, blues, greens, whites, anything. So I thought we'd have a go at doing the blue one and just see how that really turns out. I just thought it'd be quite fun to, like, you know, have a go at doing some nails. But what I was thinking, instead of doing like the butterflies everywhere, I was thinking of doing like a butterfly gradient. So I don't really know how we're going to do this, but we're going to just see how it goes. So also side note, my nails are quite long at the moment. I've been like growing them out since we've been in lockdown and trying not to like damage them and stuff. So I'm not actually going to cut them down just because when these do come off I want to still have long natural nails underneath. Obviously when I first put the clear tips on you'll be able to see this, but I'm going to cover it up. But if you want to see like the clear bit completely, then, and like not do the gradient butterfly, then cut your nails down, or like cut your nails down in general if you want to do that. But just personal preference, I'm not going to do that just because I want to keep my nails as long as possible whilst I can. But yeah, let's get started. So basically I got everything I think I'm gonna need in front of me. The first step is to basically measure out your nails and then stick them on and file them. So this is probably the most time consuming bit, I'd say, is just choosing the right size nail and fitting them and then shaping them and everything. So I'm just gonna quickly measure out all of the nails and then we'll get shaping them. And then once you've got all your nails laid out, just glue them on. So I'm using this glue that I got from Amazon. But yeah, just proceed to glue all your nails on. So now all your nails are on, just cut and file them to the shape that you want. So I'm gonna go for like the coffin vibe. So yeah, let's get cutting and filing, I guess. So now that I've like shaped my nails, also by the way guys, my shaping is not the best, so please don't at me. What we are going to do is just apply like a blue base coat to the nails. So that's our next step. The blue nail varnish that I'm going to be using is the Blue Sky gel polish. I'm not sure what the colour is. Oh, it's called Creekside, so that's the colour I'm going to be using. It's just like a pale blue. Okay, and then now that you've painted all the nails blue, just put them in the UV lamp. And then once you've done your first coat, just go over it again. Also, I find like once you've painted your nails, it's so much easier to like reshape them. So I've like changed a couple of the shapes just because they were a bit wonky and stuff. But yeah, then just do a second coat on both hands. Okay, so now all the nails are like painted and dry. What we're gonna do, I think, is on these two nails, instead of having like the clear nail with butterflies on it, I thought we'll do like a gradient butterfly because there are like quite a few different blues. So what I'm thinking of doing is basically just chucking some nail glue on the nail, then using my little dotting tool to like pick up some butterflies and then create like a gradient effect. So I don't know how well this is going to work, but we're going to give it a go. Okay, so these are the finished ombre butterfly nails. So I actually quite liked how these turned out. Obviously they're not everyone's cup of tea, like a lot of the stuff I do probably isn't everyone's cup of tea. Like a lot of people just don't like blue nails in general, so I probably won't like them even more with the butterflies. But I do actually think these are quite cute. I think they're quite different than the normal butterfly thing, but I'm not really a fan of the whole clear nail trend, especially with me growing my nails out underneath. I just don't think it would look very good. But yeah, I think they turned out quite cute, like a little bit different and a bit sparkly when you like see them, which is good. Always like a bit of sparkle. But yes, I think that's literally the end of my DIY. I hope you guys did enjoy this, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.